Right, so today we're going to be rebuilding this Weber carburetor from a Land Rover Series 2 A 1962. It's not in terrible condition from what I see, but I'm having a fuel leak, and it's something I've always wanted to attempt anyway, so I'm going to have a go, take it all apart, clean it up, put some new seals on, and see if it makes any difference. Let's go. Right, quick update. The carburetor is fully rebuilt. We've got new seals, got new sort of leather valve type washers. I've cleaned up everything. It's got new injector nozzles. I've adjusted the height of the float to 7mm, and yes, I've ground down the bottom so it's nice and flat, and made a new seal that will go on there. So I'm going to reassemble it now and put it back in the car, and the next job is the brakes, the air filter, and the distributor cap as well. I've got some bits over here to place. So yeah. So yeah, that's a wrap. We are done. It's fully rebuilt. Looking real nice. It's all cleaned up. Like I said, new seals, new valves, new gasket. Hope you enjoyed, and subscribe for more videos.